Happy birthday, dear Jesus. Happy birthday to you.
But we stuck to our guns. We did the concept for the piece that we were trust, and we came up with the plan.
Several weekends into work with some really enjoying conditions here in the UAE.
Yeah, loving it. Sitting or burning, but it's also sitting or burning inside.
We're not here.
Tutuwa pa.
Tonight is special.
You're all with.
Obviously getting to the stage for the first time, creating history, but how important has the chat in? Can it win in the Super Cup stage opposed to just playing out the Super Cup?
Yeah, very important. We qualified for the Super Cup, very proud, very proud, and we've got a good job to do, and try to win every game.
What did you learn from conditions? Just
keep it simple.
Keep it simple, you did that tonight, well done.
Yes.
Yeah, Brian. Certainly, that is for sure. It is the 50th men's T20 international being played here at SNSM, and look at that. What a start we had. It was fireworks up front for Trumbull with his 3 wickets, 22 for 4 in the power play, but an excellent recovery from over 7. Good add to the closing overs.